Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use Whisk AI in Flow step by step. So, if you want to create AI-generated images inside Google Flow using Whisk, this video will help you get started. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google Flow. Once Flow opens, click on New Project. Now you will enter the Flow workspace. From here, go to the Tools section. You will see many AI tools available inside Flow. Scroll down and click on Whisk. Once you click on it, Whisk will open inside your project. Now let's quickly understand what Whisk does. Whisk is an AI image generation tool that allows you to create images using text prompts. You can use it in different ways, depending on the type of image you want to create. For example, you can enter a direct prompt describing the image you want, and Whisk will generate images based on that description. You can also use the subject field to describe the main object, character, or person you want in the image. The scene field can be used to describe the background or environment where the subject should appear. By combining subject and scene prompts, you can create more detailed and customized images. Once you enter your prompts, click on Generate and Whisk will create multiple image variations for you. You can review the results and choose the image that best matches your idea. You can also modify your prompts and generate new versions to get different styles and results. This makes Whisk a useful tool for creating concepts, thumbnails, illustrations, social media content, and creative AI artwork directly inside Flow. And that's it. Whisk gives you a simple way to create AI images in Flow, whether you use a direct prompt or separate subject and scene descriptions. I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.